Hey guys, it's Johannes from Maincor. As you know, we are producing ventilation pipes in different sizes. 63, this is a 75, and we also produce it as a 90mm pipe. And you may know that we produce the best pipes in the world, but we also produce the best accessories in the world. No, that's not the best accessory. This is an old-fashioned knife. You cut it. That's how it normally works. And does this look professional? Not to me. We have a professional pipe cutter here. Now it's still closed. If you unlock it, you can see a blade here. And now you put these into the groove, turn it around, and you have a professional cut. It also works with a 90mm pipe. It's available in our shop. You can order it online, you can order it via telephone, you can order it from me. Professional tools for professional installers by professional producers. Thanks a lot, have a great day. Bye.